Today we're in the Summerlin area of Las Vegas. We're going to be doing the community of Crested Canyon, built by Taylor Morrison. If this is your first time to the channel, you want to know everything there is about new build homes in Las Vegas, then continue watching, consider subscribing and tap that notification bell so you can be the first to learn about any upcoming home tours I do on this channel. Let's begin our tour. So right in front of us is the Taylor Morrison builds. There's 3 models, but we're gonna break it up into 3 different videos. Before we walk in, I wanna show you real quick what the community looks like. You're right at the edge with the mountainside view here in the Summerlin area. You have a gated community. You have the park right here as one of the amenities. There's still a handful of lots available. Let's get started with the exterior of this house. This is the Acacia model. Base price starts off at $543,900. There's 3 different elevations to choose from. Square footage of this house is 1,649. It's a 3-bed, 2.5 bath with a 2-car garage. Average lot size for this community is 3,500 square feet. Lot premiums start from 0 to 40,000. All these homes are going to be pretty much spec'd out. Now the average upgrades for this spec model, these spec models are about 12 to 15% of base price. There's going to be 126 home sites to be completed in this community. All right. And then on top of that, where we are at Crested Canyon, it's 21 minutes to the airport, 17 to the Las Vegas Strip, 19 minutes to downtown, and the closest shopping center is downtown Summerlin, which is 9 minutes away. Now let's walk in to this model home. All right up front, you have desert landscaping, you have pavers in your walkthrough area, and you'll have pavers right in front of your 2-car garage. They're currently using this as a sales office. Now this is the exterior of the home, and right as you walk into this specific model, based on this elevation, you will get a gate like this. And you have a little courtyard right out front. Entrance is on the side of the home with a small porch covered area. Right before we enter the home, I'd like to remind you that we do get calls and texts every single day from people just like you. So if you're looking to move to Las Vegas, whether it's in 7 days or 3 months, do me a favor, give us a call, send us a text, send us an email, or schedule a Zoom call, and we'll be happy to help you make that smooth move to Las Vegas. So right when you enter and I look above, you have very, very high ceilings in this entryway. You got upgraded flooring right here, and right when you walk in, you have an open floor plan concept, 9-foot ceilings, living room right in front, dining area to the left, and kitchen right in the back. Now let's start off here in this living room area. You have a medium-sized coffee table, 2 sectional couches, and your large TV display right here. You do get a large window on both sides of the home. And then you have this 4-panel sliding doors for your backyard. But before we go step outside there, I'm going to give you guys a view from this corner of the home. And now let's walk towards the kitchen. Now what I love about this kitchen is that it's very simple. You got nice upgraded backsplash right here, but you have plain quartz countertop. You have gray cabinets. There's no hardwares for your handles, but that you can always add after. And then you have a very nice island right in the middle, sits 3 bar stools, and I love how they designed this where you have an extra 1-foot lip right here. And then this is your pantry. All right, refrigerator not included. You have a microwave, your oven with your stovetop burner combo, stainless steel sink, your brass faucet, and you get this large window that overlooks the backyard. Here's a view from this corner of the kitchen. And right in front of us is your dining area. This can sit 6 people. You got a large window right there. And here's the area for, this would be your coat closet. That would be your entrance to your garage, and this would be one of your half bath, but currently used as a public restroom. So remember, this is their smallest floor plan of 1,649. Great starter home if you want to be in the Summerlin area. Now, when we walk to the backyard, you're going to see the views of this amazing area of Las Vegas. We're in the Summerlin area, and look how close we are to those mountainside. Backyard is going to have your covered patio right here, pavers in your covered patio section. You won't get landscaping here. This is something that you would have to complete within a year. And this is an additional upgrade. And you guys can have that for inspiration if you guys decide you guys want to build something like this. Okay, barbecue pit, bar island. I'm gonna give you guys a view from over this brick wall so you can see how close you are to that mountainside. Now here's a view from this corner of the house. You see the way the exterior looks like. Right on the left side you have your AC unit. Okay. I want to encourage you to bring your trusted realtor along to your very first visit when buying a new construction home. And this ensures that you will receive expert guidance and representation throughout the process. Okay? And really quick, I'd like to remind you that if you do find value and enjoy these home tours, please consider subscribing to the channel, give this video a like, and tap that notification bell because this helps us grow the channel. All right? And right here is your staircase to go to the second floor. Carpeted area, high ceilings. Here's another view if you're coming down the staircase. Very nice art wall right there. Large windows right above. Okay, now when you get to the top of the stairs, it splits to left and right. The right side would be your main primary bedroom, but we'll start off to the left. This would be your linen closet. Here's your laundry room. Washer dryer won't be included. A shelf right above. Small window to overlook your community and your neighbors. And look at that beautiful view. If you appreciate the outdoors, give this video a like. And then you also have a utility box right there. Walking down the hallway, this is your full bath, single sink, a single fiberglass undermount sink with your great cabinets, shower tub combo, another window that looks outside. Now exiting the bathroom, this would be your first bedroom. First bedroom gets this large window facing the front of the house. Here's a view from the second floor of this home. And then we're going to our second bedroom. Second bedroom, you also get a large window like right here. Okay, now we're going to walk towards the primary bedroom of this home. And here is your primary bedroom. Very, very spacious primary bedroom. You got a pre-wire for your fan right above your ceiling. Okay, lots of lighting right above. But here is the best view from this corner of the home. Okay, and here is the primary bathroom. Primary bathroom, you have a separated stand-up shower with a separate tub right next to it. And you get this large window that also overlooks all these views if you end up buying this specific model home. Now, not all the views obviously are going to be facing mountainside, but this one is. And then you have a dual vanity sink, white countertops with the gray cabinets. Here's your private toilet room. And you have a nice walk-in closet. Walk-in closet has carpet as well. Shopping is my middle name. I like this one. I could give up shopping, but I'm not a quitter. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this home tour. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you on our next home tour. I'll leave cards above to see what the other homes are in this community.